We've got household goods, lawn mowers and tools, a lot of things you should check out. It's a yard sale on June 27th and 28th. Come and see everything from your bikes to books, things to cook, guitar cables and random things. Tools for sale and more things. Make sure that you check it out. We've got household goods, e-bikes and tools, everything you can imagine. Even the house is for sale. We've got household goods, lawn mowers and tools, a lot of things you should check out. It's a yard sale on June 27th and 28th. Come and see everything from your bikes to books, things to cook, guitar cables and random things. Tools for sale and more things. Make sure that you check it out. We've got household goods, e-bikes and tools, everything you can imagine. Even the house is for sale.